Hello everyone, today is May the 20th, 2026. It's the 5th day of our Sicily Lovers Tour and I feel so lonely. I don't have anyone who shares this room with me. The Sicily Lovers and I moved to the second home base in our tour of Sicily. And it's a pity because this room offers a beautiful sea view. A part of me is happy because finally I had the opportunity to sleep last night. As you know, Mimmo is not very easy in the night. But by other hand, I miss Mimmo and Rosella so much. Fortunately, I will see them later in the night in Caccamo. We will have a special dinner in our favorite butcher shop. We will have the sausage experience and we will have the folk party. So Mimmo will enjoy the night with our Sicily lovers and we will dance together. Perhaps some people are wondering where I am now. Despite behind me maybe someone recognized a very popular silhouette of the city center and a very particular shape of the mountain named La Rocca. I want to clarify that this is Cefalù. This is one of the most beautiful, enjoyable cities in Sicily. It has nothing to do with a big city like Palermo, but has something in common with Palermo. It boasts the same heritage. Like Palermo, also Cefalù was founded 2700 years ago by the ancient Greeks. It combines some beautiful natural beauties. We have a beautiful sandy beach. We have a special, wonderful rock. If you are not lazy, if you are sporty people, you can climb it up. But first of all, Cefalù is one of the most enjoyable cities or villages in Sicily. It's enjoyable 24/7, night and day, in particular in the night. And what's the main feature? Cefalù is mostly pedestrian. So you don't need a car at all, you don't need a vehicle to move in Cefalù. You can stroll in the beautiful narrow streets full of shops, restaurants, you can lose yourself and it's very enjoyable. And I want to focus on another aspect. I would like you to pay attention on where we used to stay in Cefalù. I want to clarify something important. Our hotel is very, very, very close to the beach. It's the yellow building behind me, and it's very, very close to the pedestrian area, so to the historic center of Cefalù. It's only 5 minutes walking. It gives you the chance to stroll on your own, to be independent, to reach the historic center wherever you want. And I don't want to say anything bad against other tour companies. I only say that's a pity that some tour companies put their clients very, very distant from the historic center. This is because basically the other hotels in Cefalù are very, very distant. Instead, we put our clients right in front of the beach and very close to the historic center. And this is even worse. Some tour companies don't even include Cefalù in their tours of Sicily. At least they provide like a supplementary, an additional day tour from Palermo to Cefalù. So people don't have enough time to enjoy Cefalù as it deserves. This is a pity. So be careful when you book your tour of Sicily. This is very, very important. Despite today is a little bit chilly, maybe temperatures are a little bit colder than the usual average temperatures we experience in Sicily. I have to confess, I have my mask and I look forward to swimming in this beautiful Mediterranean Sea. Actually, this is the Tyrrhenian Sea. Before swimming, I would like to show you what we experienced last night. So we moved from Palermo to Cefalù. Cefalù is our second home base in our tours of Sicily. And we had a very pleasant walking guided tour with our local guide, Giusy.
This road is also very nice.
It's very easy. We only go to the cathedral and the other highlights in Cefalù, and then Giusy used to leave us in front of the restaurant. It's a beautiful sea restaurant in Cefalù. The dinner at this restaurant is one of the funniest in our tour of Sicily, because there's a funny waiter named Santino who pushes our clients, our guests, to have a lot of pasta dishes.
What's that word? Basta, basta.
No, he doesn't understand the word basta. He doesn't know what basta means. And over the years, we decided to do a sort of challenge, a sort of competition between the brave ones who have more than one pasta dish. What happened? What happened?
That's good. That's good. You put him up to this? You're good. I had never set my steps. You know, I just.
And now the winners are two former clients who had 5 pasta dishes. One guy from Texas and one guy from Australia. They are the winner now. This is a challenge.
All the way down to the stores and then what?
Exactly. No, but they're used to it. They're like toddlers.
Yes.
Com'è?
It's their life. It's
This is only the second dish. I want to have 3 at least. Che deve essere una cosa fatta bene. It was only 2 portions, but I'm very happy and I won. Yesterday we had a good score. We had a couple of people who had 3 portions, 3 pasta dishes. But believe in me, it's delicious, it's to die for. Before swimming, I would like to remind you that if you want to book a tour with us, we run a tour company here in Sicily, and we are at your disposal to put together a custom private tour of Sicily all year round. It will be available regardless of the number of participants, so you can be a couple, like 5, 10, 15 people, no limits. And regardless of the time frame you have available in Sicily, it could be a week, 10 days, 2 weeks, no problem. We are at your disposal to help you choose the best locations to include in your tour of Sicily and the most exciting activities with locals. Don't forget our travel philosophy. We used to combine the best locations with the most exciting activities. And the other possibility is to join one of our small group tours of Sicily. As you know, it's named Sicily Lovers Tour, the one I'm running right now. And it takes place 3 times per year. Check the available spots on our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. We still have a few available spots in the April or May edition in 2027. 2026 is sold out. 2027 September is sold out. So it remains only April and May. It's a tour reserved for 20 people. Our ideal tour of Sicily, the itinerary has been optimized to cover the whole island in 13 days and to give you the chance to experience the most beautiful locations and, of course, once again, the most exciting activities with local people. Excellent food, the best hotels, the one in Cefalù. So feel free to contact us. We will be very glad to help you enjoy a memorable experience. Here we go! Oh, mamma mia! It's chilly, but it's beautiful. Oh, Cefalù is a wonderful location. So, thanks for watching. See you the next one. In the next days, I'll show you other highlights in our tour of Sicily. So stay tuned. And as always, love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Mwah! Ciao!